Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Brianna and today we are going to be going to the park, so come and join me. We're heading on the trail now. Isn't it beautiful?
Oh my God! Wow!
This is nature. This is Gainesville nature. How was you guys' day? Interact with me in the comments. And yeah. Oh. Look at that one. Hey guys, so we just took a stop and we're looking at nature.
Well, you have plentiful nature.
I have such a good action shot of it right now.
Titanic!
Yes.
Look at all those chickens.
Look at all those chickens.
Lizzo and blank where?
Hardware?
No.
It's a
Any.
I don't know.
You can do it.
hardware.
It's like
It's a
it's
lady's
close
name.
to Bethel, but not really. It's like a name.
Sheba?
Okay, this is what we just said.
It's happy.
We just said this.
Sinai Desert.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, Gamora.
Oh.
Got him.
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay, the church. Eddie.
Bethel.
Yeah. I don't know that. I don't know that.
It's a two-letter word.
It's okay.
Alright, you can go.
She says. Dang, she's far. Where she's gonna stop? Okay.
Did she stop?
Why are you running?
I know.
Ooh, okay, Bree, get it. Ooh, nothing about that. She said, I play no game. I really did not want this car. Engine upgrade. No, not the
I'm number 10 and you're number 2.
Oh my god! Oh my god! 10th place! Woo! Alright.
Hey, that's pretty good.
Are we ready? London! Oh, I need to pass you! Get out the way! We need to find these people that we good text. So basically,
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.
Please